Hello guys, we are from Group 3. Our members are Saswani, Alif, Shahira, Umi, and Elfian. Now we are going to explain our sampling result using circular plot sampling method. Please enjoy!
For sampling site introduction, we did sampling at Pantai Teluk Wawasan, Batu Pahat, Johor, Malaysia. This location is located along the Malacca Straits, the southwest of Peninsula Malaysia. This line of southwest of Peninsula is mainly consists of mangrove. This location is habitats of mangrove plants and other fauna habitats such as horseshoe crabs, long-tailed macaque and others. This location also have past events of erosion and already been documented.
Okay, first is the type of sampling. Actually, there are two types of sampling, which is circular sampling and quadrat sampling. We chose circular sampling because it is easier to do sampling in mangrove forest rather than using this quadrat sampling. In this technique, only plants within the plot will be recorded. This is because we are telling you about our favorite vegetation, and so we only take into account the plants of the vegetation. Next, the diameter for the circular plot that we used was 25 square meter, and the smaller the size of the circular, the easier for us to do the sampling. After that, the plot location was randomly selected around the mangrove forest to minimize sampling biases. And lastly, we counted and identified the organism to species levels, as well as we measured the diameter at breast height, which is the DBH. And the DBH for mangrove forest is different from the other types of forest such as pterocarps because of the structure of the plants, which is the roots of the plants is higher than other types of forest.
So why we choose this method? Because it is usually faster and also requires less equipment, thus it is costless. Then our method planning suggests needs only a measuring tape, notebook and pen. After that, fix the radius of area depending on the site. Finally, observe the site and measure the DBH of trees.
So here is the result from our sampling. We identified 6 organisms which are Rhizophora mucronata, also known as a root-root mangrove, that have 7 individuals in our sampling plot. And we also found 28 individuals of Avicenna species, which also known as tree types that can be found in mangrove vegetation. Then we found 3 individuals of Formicidae, which also known as ants, and 1 individual of Orthoptera, which also known as grasshopper. Then we found 3 individuals of Ceratidia obtusa, which is a sea snail, also known as a marine gastropod mollusk in the family Potamididae. Then we also found one individual of Scylla serrata, which also known as a mud crab or mangrove crab. So these are the pictures that we managed to capture during our sampling a few weeks ago. The 3 pictures above are the pictures of Rhizophora mucronata that can be found in our circular sampling plot, and the pictures on the below is the picture of me and my group members during the sampling, and the middle one is the picture about the mangrove crabs that can be found only in mangrove vegetation, and the last picture is about the viviparasite that already separated from the mother plant and fall to the ground, but unfortunately cannot be germinate due to the low tide. So maybe during the high tide, the seed can be germinate. Thank you.
Based on our discussion, we agreed that mangrove plants are so significant to this area as they provide essential habitat for thousands of species. Mangrove plants also act as wave breakers as they protect the shorelines from damaging storm, hurricane winds, waves, and also floods. The dense root system of mangrove forests traps sediments flowing down rivers and off the land. This helps stabilize the coastline and prevent erosion from waves and storms. They also help maintaining the water quality and clarity. Filtering pollutants and trapping sediments originate from the land. So we conclude that they are extremely productive ecosystems that provide numerous goods and service both to marine environment and people. So by having this method to sample, which is circular method, we can monitor the biodiversity of this ecosystem.
So that's all from us. Thank you until we meet again. Bye bye.